good morning, and welcome to another episode of Learning Biology with Teacher Da. Good morning to all our friends and to all our students. Welcome to this another session of our study this morning. I'd like to welcome everyone sa lahat po ng nandirito sa atin. Mega love shout out, BFF ni Wong, mega love shout out sa inyo. Habang nag-aantay po tayo, we still have 10 minutes before we start with our lecture today. Mega love shoutout din po kay General Rodstrong. Thank you po. Sa lahat po na nandito. Team Legit, Team Marites, good morning po sa inyo. And welcome. You are very much welcome to attend this another episode of lecture. We have our interesting topic today. So, antay lang natin yung mga estudyante natin. Usually yung schedule natin is 9:30. So we still have 6 minutes. Yan. BFF ni Wong. Good morning po. Kamusta na po kayo? Sige. Antay lang tayo ha. Okay na po yung sound ko dyan, Lalabs Wong. Okay naman po yung audio ko. Ayan. Thank you po sa 4 na milyon sa bahay. General Ray. That's good. That's good. Still kicking. Yeah, that's nice. Okay na, okay po. Thank you very much. Thank you. Yeah, we need to be alive, alert, and enthusiastic, right? to begin with, to begin our days, we should. Sabi nga natin kahapon, no? Ang hirap maging OFW. Mahirap maging OFW, bawal lahat. Bawal magpahinga, bawal magkasakit, bawal magreklamo. Lalo tigit na, bawal sabihin sa pamilya sa Pilipinas na naghihirap ako dito. Bawal sabihin. We rather keep it in ourselves, no? Kaysa sabihin natin sa kanila na, sobrang naghihirap ako dito. Because ayaw natin na maano din sila. Malungkot din sila or ma-stress din sila, no? Ganun talaga. Ayan. Sige po. Antay lang tayo sa mga estudyante. Maya papasok na rin sila. Good morning. Yes, Teacher Mamiao, good morning. Good morning, Teacher Mamiao. Thank you. We're still waiting for our students. Yeah, welcome, teacher. Thank you. Yeah, totoo yan. Totoo yan na love sa BFF ni Wong. Totoo talaga yan. Kailangan ng multitasking. Hindi pwedeng one at a time, no? Hindi pwede. Dapat you have to double your time and multitask para matapos on time. Okay. Right. What is the lesson today, sir? Yeah, we have our second session for the topic last time. We will discuss on digestive system part 1. We will focus on the parts of the mouth. Okay. We will talk on the tongue and the teeth. Okay. All right. Thank you. Oh, may sabi na agad, no? What is that? All right. Teacher Mamiao, yeah. Thank you, teacher. Huh? Thank you for helping me. And actually, this is only 1 hour session from 9:30 to 10:30. And the second session is another 1 hour from 10:40 to 11:30. 10:40 to 11:40, should I say. So we only have 1 hour. Actually, one session is only 30 minutes, but we have two sessions today, so 1 hour. 9:30 to 10:30. Next is 10:40. All right. Okay. Student number 2, Tentacles. Thank you. Thank you, Cookie. Cookie is the first one to join our session today. Thank you. Cookie is here. Next to Cookie, Sirichai Nam Tak. Welcome, Tak. Tak. Natapon. Yes, Natapon, you're here. Thank you. Mimi. Thank you, Mimi. Note Pao. Yeah, thank you. Look Moon, thank you. Thank you for coming. Look Moon is here. Chayapa. Mild. Yeah, good morning, Mild. Welcome. Premika. Yeah, Fawn. Good morning, Fawn. Here. Pom. Pom. Good morning. Good morning. Patana. Good morning. Okay, Kaufang. Kaufang. Good morning, Kaufang. Welcome. And Ying. Good morning, Ying. Okay. All right. One more, students. Let's wait for Pe. Okay. Let's wait for Pe to come. Pewa. Pewa putisok nipron. Pewa. Okay. Let's wait for Pewa. All right. Yes, Pewa. Thank you very much. Now we are complete. And also teacher Mameo is also here. Maleo, na? Okay. Mimi, Maleo. Cookie, Maleo. Pom, Maleo. Talk, Maleo. Moon, Maleo. Pon, Maleo. Mild, Maleo. Pe, Maleo. Ink, Maleo. Kofang, Maleo. Perfect attendance. Thank you, guys. Wow. Thank you very much. Thank you very much, teacher. Yes, welcome, Teacher Mamio. Thank you, Teacher Mamio. Already checked the attendance. And also Teacher Shelfa. Teacher Shelfa, thank you for attending biology class. Okay. Thank you so much. Okay. Guys, welcome to another session of our discussion for today. And I would like to commend this section of our students. They're very seldom that they leave the class or they absent. So today we have perfect attendance. Thank you, guys. Thank you for always supporting our biology class. Okay, so for this morning, before we begin with our lesson, let us have some energizer. Okay, I know you will energize by a game. So this morning, I would like to ask the students for our first activity, our first game. You should write. Okay, I will write it down here, and please try to answer this one. Thai food. Okay. All right. Our first game is Thai food. You may think any Thai food. Okay. Think of any Thai food. I think you guys took your breakfast. So please, first game, Thai food. All right, start now, guys. Thai food. Thai food. 5 points. Somtam. My chai somtam. Oh, I like that, Teacher Shelfa. Somtam. Yeah, that's my favorite. Without the pet, na? Pet my me pet, okay? Lau Ui. Lau Ui. It's Thai food, okay? Lau Ui is Filipino food. Sometime. See you again. All right. Okay. Thank you. Go, guys. Students, please. Any Thai food. All right. Pad Thai. Oh, yeah, almost. Tom Yum Kong. Pad Thai. Yeah, Pad Thai also is very delicious, right? Tom Yum Kong. Pad Thai. No, it's not Tom Yum. It's not Pad Thai. Khao Pad. No, I try Khao Pad. Go, guys. Go, guys. Go, guys. Kaupat. Teacher Mamiao, yeah? You can join. Kaupat. Anyway, for my students, if you get the answer, pad si oh, not quite. If my students get the correct answer, I'll give them 5 points or a top up of 50 baht. Okay, top up. I know. When derm aloy aloy. Okay, students, please. Stewed pork leg on rice. All right. No, no, not that one. Okay. It's okay. I'll give you a clue. I'll give you a clue. I'll give you a clue. It's one, two, three, 4 words. 4 words. Okay. 4 words. 4 words. Okay. It's 4 words. Oyster omelette. No, no, it's not oyster omelette. It's in Thai. Okay. You can type in Thai, right? Sampalok Drive. Nanay Sampalok Drive. All right, tinughong. No, it's not tinughong. It's Thai food. Guys, students, Ronglian. All right, this is chicken. Okay, this is chicken. Chicken, guys. Chicken. Go, guys. Go, guys. 5 points or 50 baht for your top up. Detect. Uh, what's another phone here? The Detect, the AIS. Up to you guys. I'll give you 50 baht. Okay, and I'll give you 50 baht. Go, guys. It's 4 words, and this dish is chicken. Okay, chicken. Kai. Oh, almost. Kai tot. Kratiem. Mai chai. Mai chai. Kai tot kratiem. Mai chai. Kai tot kratiem. But it's about chicken. Go, students. Go, students. The first word. Okay, I'll give you the clue. I'll give you the clue. Students, please, please. First word is kai. Okay, chicken. Kai. I don't know if I pronounce it properly, but it's kai. Mai chai kai tot kratiam, huh? Mai chai. Okay. Go, guys. You can search Google. Try to find out in Google. Mai chai, mai chai. Mai chai fitted chicken. The first word is kai. Okay, kai. That's the first word. Fried chicken. No, it's not fried chicken. All right, go. Go, Ink. All right, how about the other students? Go, guys. Please give your guess, guys. All right. Okay, the first word is kai. Kai. Kai tom nam pla. Oh, almost, 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 almost. Almost, Kaufang, almost. Kai. No, no, not that. Chicken noodles. No. All right. Okay. The first word, another clue. Yeah, I would like to help you guys. Let me help you. Let me help you. The first word is kai. The second word or the last word is muang. Okay. The last word is mung. I don't know how if I pronounce it correctly. Kai, that's the first word. The third word, one, two, three. It's four. I mean, four words. I'm sorry, four words. The first word is kai. The last word is mung. Kayang tut pao. ไม่ใช่ Kayang tut pao. ไม่ใช่ kayang tut pao. All right, go guys. All right. Okay. Please, please, please. Oh, nobody got, huh? Nobody got the correct answer. Okay, let me give you the last clue. Last clue. The first word is kai. The first word is kai. Yeah, I think the students is having hard time because of my pronunciation. If you have the wrong phonetics, there is another name for that or another meaning, right? Oh, hold on, hold on. Okay, the first word is kai. The second word, students, look at me. First word is kai. Second word is med. Okay, med. Almost. The first word is kai. Second word is med. M-E-D. Med. Mm-hmm. Go guys. Go guys. Kai, med, and this Thai food, there is a cashew nuts. There is a nut in there. Okay. Oh. All right. Kai. No, not pad. Kai, med. One, two. Kai. Go guys. Just change the med, okay? Kai, med, and the rest. Okay, please, please, please. Yeah, I know you can do it, guys. You can do it. I know you can do it. Go, guys. My don't add thought. The answer is there in teacher Shelfa. She got it, but remove the unnecessary word. All right. Aloy. Aloy. Okay. All right. Very good. We have a winner. Okay. Sawang na Pavoras who got the correct answer. Kaimed Mamwang, right? Anyway, Kaimed Mamwang, guys. It's a chicken with cashew nuts, all right? And it's aloy, right? Delicious. Kaimed Mamwang. Oh, I'm sorry, Tanaket. Cookie. Kaufang got the correct answer. She got it first, okay? Kai made Mamwang. All right. So Kaufang, please let me know if you want 5 points or 50 baht for your top up. Okay. Just let me know. Just send me a message through our line. Okay, line. If you want the 50 baht top up, I can transfer you through our bank account. Okay, just give me your bank account. Okay. All right. First game winner is congratulations to Kaufang. Congratulations. Thank you guys. All right. Thank you. Shelfa, you got almost correct. Okay. So that's for our first game. We will do have our another game later after we have our lecture. Okay. So we still have enough time for our lecture. Now give me time, guys, to discuss our first topic for the first period. Okay, we have 2 periods. Period 1, we will discuss the topic. Period 2, it's a matter of question and answer and review and recap, and we will divide it into 2. recap, and also allow another game. Okay. All right. Thank you. Thank you for your participation. Now let me share my screen for our first topic. Are you guys ready? All right. When you're ready, guys, all right, just stand by and walk with me as we start with our lecture. Okay, as we start with our lecture today. All right. So allow me to share my screen and let's have our first lecture today. All right. So last time we learned on the topic about digestive system, right? We learn on digestive system. Today, guys, we're trying to study the each organ or each system, including or the system that is responsible or those system that plays a big role in our digestion, right? Previously, we studied on the different organs and the anatomy of digestive system, right? So I would like to I would like to mention that this presentation is details on each organ, okay, on each organ that involves in digestive system, right? Okay, I think you're ready. I'm also ready, guys. All right. So we will try to uh, learn today. Just listen and follow with me and walk with me as we study digestive system. For this topic, guys, when you say digestive system, previously as a recap, we mentioned on this system consists of the digestive tract called alimentary canal, right? Alimentary canal. When you say alimentary canal, it is a form of a continuous passage, guys. It is a form of a continuous passage from the mouth to the anus, right? In other words, this term alimentary canal, it is a passage, a pathway from the mouth going to the anus. The food is taken into the mouth and sent downwards. All right. As you can see on the picture, guys, we have here the illustration of the anatomy of the alimentary canal from the mouth going to downwards and it ends in the anus. What's the reason for that? Of course, there is a purpose for this movement. All right. There is a purpose for this movement. And this movement, guys, as the food moves downwards into the alimentary canal, it comes into contact with a series of juices called digestive juices, which contains various enzymes, right? Which contains various enzymes. Last time we learned what are those enzymes, right? We learned what are those enzymes on this process, right? Now, today, I would like to introduce to you guys the alimentary canal, which includes the mouth, okay? The mouth, next to mouth, guys, right? The alimentary canal includes the mouth, the buccal cavity, esophagus, stomach, small intestine, and large intestine, right? So as we continue, guys, since alimentary canal, we've learned that this alimentary canal term is a passageway from mouth to anus. Of course, we have to learn first what's inside the mouth. Okay, so the objectives of the study, I took at least three. The first one is the knowledge, process, and attributes, right? At the end of the lesson, the students must be able to, letter A, we should define digestive system, that is knowledge. Letter B, compare and contrast the digestive process, that's process. And letter A, appreciate the important function of digestive system, that would be our attributes, okay? So we should learn to appreciate and to apply the importance of digestive system in animal body, right? Now, for our vocabulary, we will learn today a lot of terms. The first one is elementary: canal, mouth, esophagus, stomach, liver, pancreas, tongue, enzymes, saliva, and also teeth. All right? So we're going to learn on these terms as we walk with our study. Okay? Okay, let's begin with the mouth. Okay, this is now the mouth. Inside the mouth, okay, the mouth, guys, we can see different parts. Today, guys, we will learn what's the importance or the role of the mouth in digestion. Digestion begins in the mouth. Anything that you put inside your mouth and you chew it and you swallowed it, that's digestion. All right? Previously, we learned that there are two types of digestion. We have physical or mechanical digestion. The other one is chemical digestion. Physical or mechanical digestion, this is a literal crushing the food, chewing the food to make it into a simpler or a small pieces, guys, to increase the surface area for a further digestion. Okay, that is in the mouth. When you say physical, guys, physically, you have to chop the food into small particles. All right, that is physical digestion. The other one is chemical digestion. When you say chemical digestion, it involves enzymes, okay? The enzymes that works further to uh, proceed the process of digestion, okay? So let's begin with the mouth. The mouth, guys, we have the tongue, the teeth, and the jaw, right? That is the physical and the simple anatomy inside the mouth. We can see here what happened, right? Right. For this, we have the tongue, the teeth, and the jaw. Again, guys, the jaw, we have the lower jaw and the upper jaw, okay? This is the basic part. Now, how about the tongue, okay? Let's begin with the tongue. By the way, this tongue, this is a thick musculosensory organ like this one. Can you see on the picture, guys, on the illustration? This is the tongue. And this tongue attached to the floor of the buccal cavity by a soft ligamentous fold called frenulum. Okay. I highlighted here the frenulum, guys. This is the location or the site of the tongue inside our mouth. Okay. And the surface of this tongue, please listen, guys. I'd like to elaborate what are the other anatomical parts of this tongue, right? And also the function of the tongue. Okay, listen, listen. I'd like you to listen to me this time. Please listen. All right. Listen, guys. So for this, we have here the tongue. We can see the frenulum, guys. So the surface of the tongue is covered with a mucous membrane lined These are a mucous membrane, okay? Surrounding the tongue, there are mucous membrane lined by stratified squamous epithelium. Okay, when you say epithelium, guys, this is a cell, okay, an epithelial cell, right? The upper and lateral surfaces of the tongue remains covered with various types of papillae, right? So these are the papillae, guys, okay, the papillae. As you can see on the picture or the illustration, we can see the papillae, right? These papillae are arranged in form of inverted V. Okay, can you see, guys? It's like an inverted V form on the posterior surface of the tongue. When you say posterior, guys, at the back portion or the front portion of the tongue. And this papillae, guys, contains taste buds. Taste buds. All right? The taste buds are present on the posterior lateral part of the tongue. Right? And this taste bud is in a form of a periform, like this one. These are the conical projection of the parallel over the anterior parts of the tongue, and the color is whitish. If you magnify this one, it looks like this. It looks like a mushroom, okay? And also, below that one or beneath that one, we can see the taste buds. You sure, what are those taste buds, right? Since this one, excuse me, the taste buds are present on the posterior lateral part of the tongue. Posterior lateral. Okay, this is a compound word. Posterior means the upper portion and lateral part of the tongue. If we try to magnify, this one, you can see the taste buds here. And this taste buds, it determines the taste. Okay, it determines the taste, guys. This taste buds, guys, will determine at least four: the sweet, the sour, the salty, and bitter. Again, this taste buds, it determines the taste, like sweet, sour, salty, and also bitter. What are those functions? Another functions of the tongue, right? This tongue, okay, our tongue, guys, helps in ingestion. Remember, guys, we have the mnemonic last time, the IDAE, ingestion. Can you imagine, guys, when you eat and your tongue is not moving? Of course, the tongue has a great role in digestion, especially, guys, when we chew the food. So tongue also helps in ingestion, chewing, and also swallowing. Okay, it also helps cleaning the teeth. Okay, it also helps cleaning the teeth, mixing the food, swallowing the food with saliva. Okay, that is why when we eat, we have to chew our food properly. Let the tongue helps to mix the food and chew the food. Okay, this would be the vital work of the tongue in our mouth, guys. Okay, and also the tongue, of course, when we speak. How can we speak without the tongue? Right? Can you try to speak like holding your tongue? You cannot. You cannot say the word properly without the help of the tongue. So, guys, as a recap, so this tongue has a big purpose in digestive system. All right, a major organ for digestion. Without the tongue, right? Without the tongue, food will not properly ingest, will not properly chew, will not properly mixed with saliva without the tongue. Okay, and Can you imagine, guys? I'm not sure if you experience this one. We have the taste bud, right? This one right here, the taste bud. The taste buds determine the taste of the food that you prepare, like the sweet, like chocolate. Okay, what else? Another example of sweets: sugar, your chocolate, your drinks. Those are sweets. There is a portion of the tongue that determine that taste. Okay, not all portion of the tongue determine the taste or the sweet taste. All right, there is a specific part of the tongue. Now, how about sour? When you say sour, can you give an example of a sour food or fruits? Sour, sour. Yeah, sour. It also determine the taste of sour. Like for instance, guys, sour like a lemon, orange. Okay, sour, salty, salty or salty food like salt, processed food. Okay, any processed food, guys, that contains salt, we consider them salty. Okay, or the table salt. What about bitter? Bitter. Okay, the bitter taste. Okay, we have here the very common the vegetable. We called it bitter gourd. Okay, in other term they called it ampalaya. Okay, ampalaya, bitter gourd. It tastes bitter, guys. Okay, so this is how important the taste bud. But sometimes, guys, if we have problem with the tongue, or we lost our taste. Remember, guys? Yeah, I'm so thankful that in our school nobody experienced or infected by COVID-19. But you know what? COVID-19, when a person infected with COVID-19, one of the common symptoms is they lost their taste, right? They lost their taste. Not only the taste, but also the smell. Why is that? Mhm. Do you know the reason why it lost everything? The taste, the smell, and it's really hard, right? So for the practical application, guys, when people having problem with their taste, always remember, guys, there is a connection between the tongue and our nasal cavity. The moment, guys, you plug your nose or you have problem with respiratory, it's like a voluntary. Okay, it's like a voluntary effect. The taste also will you lost also your taste, guys, right? So it's there's a connection between the olfactory, okay, the olfactory and the mouth. Okay, so this would determine the taste buds in your tongue. Okay, so some of us, okay, some of us, we really we like to eat sweet. Okay, some of us, and also salty food, sour food, especially in Thailand, right? Yeah, I have a very good experience in this place. When you buy something, food, oh, there is a chili powder mixed with sugar, mixed with fish sauce, and a lot of spicy, and it tastes good, right? It tastes good. So you mix everything and you come up with a better taste, right? You cannot determine which one. Is it sour? Is it salty? Is it sweet? You cannot determine, okay? But it tastes good, all right? So that's how important the tongue, guys. If you have a good taste, then you have a good appetite, right? You can eat you can eat a lot if you taste your taste bud is doing good, right? So let's proceed with the another function, guys. Okay, ingestion, chewing. Remember, guys, when you chew the food, the tongue is moving also, right? And it also helps mixing the food, and also it helps our speech. Okay, So that would be the function of the tongue. All right, another one. Another one. What else can you add, guys? What are those functions of the tongue, if I may forget something? So far, I think that would be the major function of the tongue in digestive system, right? That would be the major part. All right. So let's now proceed with the teeth. Okay, we're done with the tongue. Now let's proceed with the teeth. Okay. By the way, guys, me, adult, you're not considered as adult. You are still teenagers. Okay, adolescents. Some of you are adolescents. By the way, the adult human being has 16 teeth on each jaw. How many? 16. All right, on each jaw. All right, guys. We have upper jaw. I don't know how to use, because I'm using Canva right now. I don't know how to use my pen to write something here. Okay, but please follow the cursor, guys. Please follow the cursor. Now, this one right here is the upper jaw, and we have the lower jaw. Okay. When you say jaw, you drop your jaw. Right. All right. We have here an adult human being, guys, has 16 pair of teeth. 16. Now, this 16 pair divided into two sections, the upper jaw and the lower jaw. The upper jaw is called maxilla. All right, remember that one, guys. Okay, maxilla. All right. Yeah, and for you are grade 10. On grade 11, we will learn on skeletal system and all the system, guys. Okay, all the bones. We have to name all the bones, all the muscle, the muscular system, everything, all the system. We have to memorize by heart. We have to remember that. So, in this presentation, I would like to mention only two. First one is the upper jaw, which is known as maxilla. The lower jaw, also called mandible. Okay, the maxilla and mandible. Maxilla has 16 teeth, and mandible has 16 teeth. Total of how many, guys? The total of 32 teeth. All right, and these teeth, okay, guys, these teeth are embedded in jaw socket. All right, can you see this one, guys? The very root of our teeth, it's called the jaw socket. They are also termed as the thecodont. All right, thecodont. They are termed as thecodonts, guys. All right, they are termed as thecodonts. Hold on, let me go back. Thecodont. A set of teeth appear twice in an adult. So, guys, we grow our teeth 2 times. Okay, 2 times during the childhood. Okay, during the childhood, our teeth are called milk teeth. Milk teeth. All right, milk teeth. Teacher, why is it called milk teeth? Okay, milk teeth. This is the result of milking. When a baby fed by a breastfed or bottle fed, guys, we all fed milk by your mom. Okay, so during the stage of our childhood, these teeth will grow, and we term it as milk teeth, which are later replaced in an adult by a set of permanent teeth. Now, if you ask me, teacher, so our teeth now is permanent? Yes. Unlike on the milk teeth, when it's pulled out, it will grow again. Okay, it will regrow, guys, because we have to change our teeth at least 2 times. All right, we have the milk teeth during childhood, then all of this will pull out, and it replaced by a permanent teeth which lasts for years. Thus, teeth are also termed as the diffudent. All right, diffudent. Again, during child, milk teeth. All right, and in adult stage, we have the permanent teeth or diffudent. Okay, now our teeth has a code. We have the dental formula of 2, 1, 2, 3. Please remember this one, okay? 2, 1, 2, 3. What is that, teacher? 2, 1, 2, 3. This is the lower jaw, the mandible. Okay? If you count it, it's 16. Now, why is it 2, 1, 2, 3? 2, 1, 2, 3 means we have the 1 is the incisors. We have how many incisors? 2. 2, 1, 2, 3. 2 incisors. In other words, the front teeth, guys, when you smile, the first 2 teeth is called incisors. Incisors. Okay? Teacher, why you discuss this one? Of course. Without the teeth, we cannot crush our food. We cannot chew our food, right? Can you imagine, guys, eating peanuts without a teeth? How can we eat peanuts with, without the teeth? It's very hard, right? It's very hard. How can we eat good food or hard food without the teeth? It's very hard. Okay, so guys, we have here the incisors, 2 incisors. So we have 2, 1, 2, 3. What's next? The other one, okay, look at here, look at here. The other one is 1. We have 1 canine, all right? 2 incisors, 1 canine, all right? The canine, guys, is like a fang. You see a fang? It's later I will explain what are the functions and the anatomy of those teeth. Second, we have 2, 1, and 2, 3, right? 2 incisors, 1 canine, 2 premolars. 2 premolars, right? In Filipino term, they call it bagang, but before the bagang, I don't know baging. Okay, bagang. Premolars, 2 premolars, right? The next one is 3. 2, 1, 2, 3. We have the molars. Molars. The molars, guys, is the inner part, okay, the last part of the jaw. We can locate the 3 tooth right there, or 3 teeth right there. They call it molars. Molars, right? Okay, let's proceed. Now let's proceed with incisors. So what is incisors? What is the incisor? Incisors. The shape with sharp cutting edge. Look at the incisors, guys. This incisors, guys, is this one is when we put the food in our mouth. This is the first teeth that we use to bite. Okay, so this is how it looks like, incisors, right? Next one, the canines. The canine shape is with a sharp cutting edge. Canines are dagger shape, and also this is like a fang. Okay, it's like a fang that it helps also for chewing our food. Okay, so when you say dagger shape, a dagger, it's like a knife shape, guys, a knife shape. It's what? It's canine. How about the other one? The incisors. There is a very or sharp cutting edge. Okay. For the canines, it's what? It's a dagger shape. Right? What else? So for the incisors, let me explain it again. Okay. Let me make some annotations here if I can do it. Right? For the incisors, guys, the incisors also has a chisel shape with sharp cutting edge. Okay, it's like a chisel. Okay, chisel. Okay, and the canines are a dagger shape and pierce the food. The premolars is broad. Look at the premolars. The premolars is a broad in shape, okay, and strong crushing teeth. That's why if we really try to chew the hard food, especially the meat, okay, you have to place the food in your what, in the molar and the premolars. Okay, this is how the teeth looks like. Okay, all right. Let's now proceed with the parts of the teeth or the anatomy of the teeth. We're done with the different kinds of teeth. Although guys, different animals or different organisms has also different formation of the teeth. But for instance, guys, human we have different. Dogs they have also different formation of the teeth, and so on and so forth, guys. You can name it. But the only common is the components of the teeth. Okay, the components of the teeth. Like for instance, the basic structure in general, the tooth consists of the upper exposed part. The upper exposed part, as you can feel it in your tongue, those part is called the crown. 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 Teacher, what is crown? It's a crown. Okay, crown. Crown, corona. That's why we have corona virus, COVID, crown, because of that virus there is a crown. Our teeth, there is like a crown, corona, right? There is a crown exposed and one or more roots which are embedded in the sockets in the jaw bone. Look at this one. This is the crown. Please follow the cursor. This is the crown. This is the formation. This is the gums. And the very end, this one right here, the enamel part, we have the roots, at least two. They call it like the paa or the foot of the teeth. Okay, this one really anchored the base of our jaw, the enamel part, right? And that's why our teeth is also very strong. Right? The junction of the crown root is known as the neck. So this is the neck. We have the crown, and another part is the roots, guys. This one right here is the roots. Yes, it's a roots. And another part is the neck. Okay, let me do it again. This is the crown, basic anatomy and parts of the teeth or tooth. This is the crown right here. And beneath that one, on the very edge of the gum is called the neck. Okay, the neck. And this part here, as you can see, there is a blood vessel. That is why if you pull your teeth, guys, it's a bloody thing because you cut the blood vessel inside. Right? Now, neck and also the roots. There is a roots, guys. Right? And this roots is embedded with the socket bone jaw. Can you see that one? The roots now is really embedded with the bone. That's why it's really hard to extract the teeth, guys, because it's really rooted in the bones of our jaw. Either it is the mandible or the maxilla jaw. Right? So for this, let's proceed with the next one. How about the dentine? What is the dentine? Can you see that one, guys? The crown is covering, like there is a bone right here. It's a soft bone. It looks like a soft bone, but that one is called the dentine. The dentine. All right. So for this, the dentine part is below the crown, right? And also, guys, the ligaments of this jaw is there are ligaments that found right here. Okay. All right. And also, guys, the functions of these teeth, ladies and gentlemen, right? The hard part of the teeth is enamel. Okay, this one right here. Like, it's very hard. It's very hard. Okay. Sometimes, guys, if this one got damaged, We go to the dentist and we put something replacement here. They call it pasta or crown or lamination. Okay, those are the dentist work. But they put right here, they called it enamel. Okay, right. Now, in after this one, we have also the function of the teeth, guys. The very function or the primary function of the teeth is to grasp and hold the food in the mouth cavity. They are also modified to serve as the grinding meal. The grinding meal, okay, for chewing the food with the help of the teeth, the tongue, and the jaw movement. So, guys, this is the very core of the teeth. Without the teeth, we cannot, or you cannot, chew your food properly. We cannot ground or grind the food properly. It must to be properly chewed, guys. Okay, so let's take care of our teeth, right? So it's so simple and easy that our teeth has a big role in digestion. That is why a lot of people experience or suffer indigestion because they did not chew their food properly or because they have problem with the denture or the teeth, right? You cannot chew your food properly if you have like your teeth is like observing also social distancing. Can you get my point? If your teeth were not complete, like for instance, we have how many set of teeth? 16, 16, 32, 2, 1, 2, 3. What if, guys, you lost 5 of your teeth, 3 of your teeth? Then you have your teeth is not complete. Okay? Your teeth also observe social distancing. One set apart. It's like taking exam. Right, guys? So you cannot, it's hard to chew or to swallow the food or to mix the food with saliva and the process of digestion. It's very hard. That's why some people experience indigestion. Okay? So in this part, we have also, can you see this one, guys? We have the cement part. Okay? So we have the enamel, the crown, the neck, the roots, and the cement part. Why is it called cement? It's the floor, okay? It's the floor. It is called the cement, okay? And this layer of cement over the root, the cement is also attached with the bony socket in the jaw by a large or by a layer of fibrous tissue called the periodontal ligament, okay? The periodontal ligament right here. So these ligaments, these roots, blood vessels supply the nutrients of our teeth. All right. And we have also here the pulp cavity. The pulp cavity. Right? The pulp cavity. So we should take care of our teeth, guys. Okay. And this teeth is highly, okay, a highly importance. Look at this one. This would be the last slide, guys, before we have our recap. The last slide before our, we have the recap, the last slide. So for this, the primary functions is to grasp the food, hold the food into the mouth cavity, and this teeth is also serves as the grinding meal. When you say grinding meal, guys, I don't know how to express it into Thai, but when you say grinding meal, it's like a meal. M-I-L-L. It's like a meal. When you ground something, it's like a machine, guys. Okay, the grounding machine or the grounding meal. Our teeth do the mechanical function by crushing and grinding the food. We should grind. We should make the food grounded before we swallowed it. The main purpose is to increase the surface area for further digestion. All right. Luckily, we have two functions of inside the mouth. We have the physical or mechanical, and also the chemical. Right. because our saliva, as we had learned previously, contains enzymes, and these enzymes will digest the starch, right? So, guys, in this presentation for today, we learn on the importance of the mouth. All right. So, I would like to recap our review. Okay, I would like to recap the review, guys. Okay, stop. All right, let's have a recap. Okay, let's have a recap for the presentation this morning. All right, we learn on the digestive system, specifically the mouth. Okay, the mouth. I want you to answer here. Please type your answer. Okay, I start with the first question. The mouth or digestive system, there are terms, or there is a term that use this is a passageway. The first question is, what is the name of the passageway? Please, guys, participate. What is the name of the passageway from mouth to anus? We term it what? It is a canal, right? Video, okay? So this term as what? Can you add? It's what? It's a canal. And this canal is also known as, recap, guys. All right, let me help you. This is known as the elementary canal. All right, elementary canal. And inside the mouth, we have the strong muscle that helps to mix the food before we swallowed it. And this muscle is called letter T. This is our tongue. Okay, this is our tongue. And this tongue has a big role in mixing the food, swallowing the food, cleaning the teeth, the teeth, and also in our speech. All right, that would be the function of the tongue. And lastly, guys, we proceed with the teeth. Okay, with our teeth. So we have how many set of teeth, guys? The upper jaw and the lower jaw. How many? We have a total of how many teeth? Total teeth. We have. Oh, where is my students? Where are my students? Don't be shy, guys. Don't be shy. All right. We have 32 teeth, 16 on the upper jaw, and 16 on the lower jaw. We have a code, guys. We have a formula of our teeth. We have 2, 1, 2, 3. 2, 1, 2, 3. How many incisors or incisors? 2. How many canines? 1. How many premolars? 2, 1, 2, 3. 2 premolars and 3 molars. All right. So remember that one. We have 2, 1, 2, 3 code. All right. And this teeth serves as the grinding mills of the digestive system. Okay. It crushes the food. It makes the food into smaller pieces, guys, and it also serves as the main grinding machine for physical and mechanical digestion. All right. Okay, we still have 3 minutes before we end our discussion. Do you have any question, guys, before we end our session? Any question? No further question today? All right. I think no question, huh? All right, we still have 2 minutes. Okay, we still have 2 minutes, guys. Anyway, tomorrow, please do not be absent tomorrow. We have our first session 8:30. So I'd like to see you all tomorrow at 8:30 in the morning. Okay, and for tomorrow, I'll see you tomorrow, guys, at 8:30. Okay, 8:30 in the morning. Thank you very much for having you this morning. Thank you, guys. And to teacher Mamiao, thank you for helping me this morning. Keep safe, guys. See you tomorrow. Okay. So you may now leave the session and you may now proceed to your next subject. You may now proceed to your next teacher. Thank you very much. Okay. Thank you, guys. Ayan. Maraming salamat po sa mga umantamay. Sana may natutunan kayo sa dila at sa ngipin. Anyway, thank you ha. Thank you po sa lahat ng nandirito. Meron pa rin tayong 10 milyon, no? 10 milyon na nandirito. Salamat po mga diehard na supporters at saka Team Legit, Team Marites. Thank you po, thank you po. Ayan, mega love shout out po, Lalab Sky Cruzy. Salamat po. Ray Salon. Thank you, Brad. Teacher Shelfa, thank you very much. Who else? Yaya Betchay, yeah, thank you po, thank you. Mega love shout out po sa inyo. And also, Lalabs Vars, Vars Vlog, salamat po. And Rod Strong, General Rod Strong. And Riz 03 Vlog, salamat po, salamat po. Okay. Antay po natin yung next batch ng student natin. No? Papasok sila yung grade 12. Pasok po sila maya-maya ng konti. All right, welcome, boy. Boy number 12, welcome. Boy is the first to join the class. First to join the class is Boy. Welcome. Boy is here. Namtan. Welcome, Namtan, number 11. Namtan, number 9. Yam, number 9. Welcome, Yam. Okay, thank you. Welcome, Dream. Dream Tansini, welcome. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, we have here Dream Tansini, Yam, Namtan, and Boy. Welcome, guys, to our discussion for today. Korea, welcome. Korea, welcome. Thank you, guys. Thank you. Amasawo Duangin. Right, we have here Tansini. Tansini Picharat Dream, number 8. Welcome. Nanticha and Gerard. Yan, welcome. And Pimshano Pungprat Namtan, welcome. Pimpoy Suwatrasani Poy, welcome. And Amawasu Duangin. Korea, welcome. And welcome also. Pim, Apicha. Pim, welcome. Welcome, guys. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So we're still waiting for your other classmates to join us. All right. Thank you, teacher. Thank you. So we have only how many students? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Only 6? Yes, only 6 of you here. All right. So we have only 6 students, right? Let me. Okay. Okay. Only 6 were present today. Let's start and let's begin with our discussion, guys. Okay. So welcome back, M6 classmates. My students, welcome to our discussion. For our discussion, the topic is animal phyla. All right, animal phyla. So we will learn today with animal phyla, guys. All right. But before we have our discussion, let's have our first activity. Okay, first activity. Try to write down, guys, the Thailand, okay, Thailand festival. Okay, all right, Thailand festival. Right, right. Can you guess, guys, any Thailand festival? The winner will get 5 points. Okay, for 5 points, Thailand festival. You celebrate this one, guys, once a year. Okay, once a year. This is famous in Thailand. Thailand festival. You may guess, guys. Thailand festival. Go, guys. Thailand festival. Guess your answer, guys. Songkran Day? No. Yeah. I'm thinking of that, but it's not Songkran. Songkran's Day? No. No, it's not Songkran. Songkran Day. What else? 5 points. 5 points or 50 baht for your top up. 5 points or 50 baht for your top up. Go, guys. Not Songkran. Festival. Okay, any guess? Any guess? New Year. Oh, my Thai New Year. It's not New Year. It's 3 words, guys. 3 words. 3 words. Okay, 3 words. 3 words. It's all about it's all about the ghost. Okay? It's all about ghost. All right? It's all about ghost, guys. Can you guess? Mm-hmm. You can guess, guys. It's all about ghost. In Thai, it's in Thai term. It's it begins with letter no, 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 no. The first word is PHI. PHI, fee, something fee. PHI. First word is PHI, right? No loikatom, no loikatom. Not loikatom. P, okay? P, something. And you celebrate this one, festival for the ghost, something like this. Have you watched the movie PMAC? The wife of Mark, the wife of PMAC. All right, go, guys. Lôi 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 cá tông, mày trai lôi cá tông. Okay. It's it's three words, and the first word is P. 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 Oh no no no! What is that? No no. All right. I'll give you the very good clue. The first word is P. P-H-I. The last word is con. K-H-O-N. K-H-O-N. P and con. So you have to fill in the middle word. Okay. P and the last word is con. All right. 5 points, guys, for 5 points. P, then second word and last word is con. P, 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 P. All right. Okay, okay. Thank you very much. Yeah, we have a winner, guys. The correct answer is Pitacon. Actually, I searched this one in Google. It's separated, guys. Okay, Pitacon, right? Pitacon. It's about Ghost Festival. Thank you. Congratulations to Poi. Poi got the correct answer. Pitacon. Okay, Poi. Please tell me, Poi, na. Just message me if you want 5 points or 50 baht for top up. Okay, 50 baht for top up. It's a big help for you guys for your internet connection. Okay. All right. Let's proceed with our lecture. I'd like to welcome everyone. I hope the students were coming. We only have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. On my list, we have only 6 students attending today. What happens to the other half, guys? What happened to the other half? Okay, so please share this one. You may share this one. Actually, I already posted this one on our group line or line group, should I say? Okay, so now let's begin with our discussion. Okay, let's begin with our discussion, guys. All right. Let me share my screen and let's proceed with our first topic for today. We will discuss on our first topic about the animal phyla. Animal phyla. All right. So sit back, relax, and walk with me as we continue our discussion on animal phyla. All right, animal phyla. Sister, what's this one? Sister online. Sister online. All right. Let me share my screen. Okay, let me share my screen and allow me to introduce our topic for today. It's about, no, not this one. Entire screen. Hold on. Okay, we will discuss this morning on phylum Mollusca. Phylum Mollusca. Okay, this would be our discussion for today. Phylum Mollusca. Okay, sit back, guys, and let's try to study on phylum Mollusca. All right. I'm hoping that other students can join us. I'm hoping, okay? I'm still hoping that they can join us. But anyway, we will discuss with phylum Mollusca. Previously, we're done with at least 2 phylum, the Phylum Nematoda and Phylum Arthropoda. Right? Phylum Nematoda. Today, we will continue our discussion on Phylum Mollusca. There are 9 phylum, guys. If you could still remember, we discussed on 9 phylum last time. Okay, Who can still remember, guys? The 9 phylum. Okay, can you still remember the 9 phylum, guys? Or the 9 phyla? We have the Chordata, Echinodermata, Arthropoda, Nematoda, Annelida, Mollusca, right? And Porifera. So we will learn on phylum Mollusca. Since this kingdom Animalia divided into phylum, we tried to learn, or we will try to learn on different phylum that what are those animals belongs to this phylum. Okay, right? Please walk with me, guys. Let's begin. Phylum Mollusca, or phylum Mollusca, guys. The phylum Mollusca, this group includes the mussels. Okay, this group includes the mussels, squid, octopus, snails, and slugs. It sounds like seafood, right? Right? It sounds like seafood. Anyway, for this discussion, we will learn on the different characteristics and the different physical and behavior of these animals, okay, under phylum Mollusca. Okay, next one, let's proceed with the snails, right? Under phylum Mollusca, we will try to study the snails, okay? The anatomy and the behavior of the snails. They belongs to mollusks. That's why they called mollusca. This is a garden snail. As you can see on your backyard or on the garden, we can find this one. This tiny little organism, a snail or a helix aspersa. Like all mollusks, it has a muscular foot and it's not segmented. Can you see that one, guys? All right. So this one, the internal organ is coiled inside the mantle. So in other words, it has a shell, okay? And inside this shell, we can find the intestines or the intestines, and the shell is known as the mantle. This is covered in a coiled shell as well, as you can see. So it covered with a hard shell. And another description, guys, there are tentacles with eye on the top ones. So each of the top of the tentacles has an eye. Okay, it has an eye. So physically, we can determine that this one is a snail and this is belongs to kingdom Mollusca. Okay, now this is the diagram of the snails. We have here, first on the head part, we have the tentacle. The tentacle, or they call it the major tentacle and the minor tentacles. Please look at on your screen, guys. Look at on your screen, right? As we can see, we have also the eye on the major tentacles, right? Then we have the mouth. All right, can you see, guys? The mouth is attached near the minor tentacles. And near, can you see, guys? Near the head is the genital pore. Okay, the genital pore, meaning the sex organ of the snail. Okay, the genital pore. Then we have the anus right here and the nomosteum, this part. And as you can see, the whole body, the mantle is right here. And the whole body, guys, the whole body is covered with a shell. Okay, this one is the shell. It's like a helmet. Okay, covered with a shell. And we have the coiled shell part is the shell apex. All right. And also we can see the foot or the tail. Okay, the foot or the tail, guys. All right. Now, another example of
animals under kingdom mollusca. Another example, guys, is the what? The octopus. Okay, the octopus. Sorry. Wait, hold on. I'll share it again. Okay. Okay, the octopus. Right. For a while. Okay. Right. We have here the octopus. The the octopus, guys. The mantle is huge. Okay, look at here. This is the anatomy, the anatomical parts of the octopus. We have huge, and the food is divided. The mouth is still underneath, and the shell is reduced and internal. In muscle, the muscular food holds into a rock or something. The shell is divided into two. Okay, guys, this is the basic parts of the octopus. We have the eye, the tentacles. We have they call it arm. Okay, and it has a socket. I know most of us saw this one in person. Okay, a live one, and another one that is a head and a suckers. This one, it these suckers, guys. These suckers could help them to capture their prey. Okay, since this is a highly predator, okay, they can eat the prey using the suckers and their tentacles. It's very strong, guys. It's very strong. Good. Boy said, you still in the same slide. Really? Hold on, huh? Stop sharing. Thank you, Boy. Thank you, Boy. You're still on the same slide. Hold on, huh? Let me share my screen. Thank you, Boy. Thank you for reminding me. Okay. How about this one? How about this one? Okay, let's wait for a while. All right, I'm still on the same slide. Yeah, I didn't change my slide for a while. For a while, guys. Let me do something. Let me do something, okay? Right? Right. For real? I cannot. Okay. Hold on, guys, okay? Why I cannot change my slide? Share slide, show screen. Okay, hold on, hold on. I did it last time, right? Windows. I hope I can. You need to click the next slide. Oh, thank you. Huh? Thank you. Hold on, Poi. Okay, thank you, Poi. So I need to click the next slide. For a while, guys.
Anyway, all right. Give me a minute, guys. Okay, give me a minute. Give me a minute for a while. All right, classmates. It changed. Okay, it changed. Hold on. Let me share it again. All right. If I cannot do this one, right, I think we should go to Google. No, no, Zoom. Okay. All right, guys. Let's change this one. I think I'm having problem with my Mac this time. Shall we proceed with? I will send you the. I will send you guys the link for our Zoom. All right. I'll see you guys in Zoom. Okay. I'll see you in Zoom. Thank you very much, guys. Thank you very much. I'll see you in Zoom.